community health nursing subject. Okay, it is a fourth paper. You are going to write annual examinations. Okay, in this first unit we are going to discuss. Okay, the unit is the introduction to community health. Okay, in this subtopic is the health determinants. Okay, health determinants we are going to learn in detail. What is meant by health? Health is a state of physical, mental, social well-being, not merely absence of any diseases, okay, or infirmity. Like that we are learned in our previous videos the definition of health. Okay, if any disabilities is there or any problems is there or any causative diseases will be there for the health, okay, how we are find out? Okay, by using some of the measurements, no, or indicators. Okay, in this some health determinants is there. Okay, by using these health determinants we are taking some of the precautions, or what is the causer, or what is the reason, or what is the way for disease cause. Regarding that we are going to learn in detail in this video. Okay, in health determinants having the 7 types. Okay, first one is the biological determinants. Okay, biological determinants. Second one is the behavioral socio-cultural conditions. Okay, third one is the environment. Environment also influence as like health determinants. Next one is the socio-economic conditions. Okay, in every individuals having the some of the economical problems. Okay, in economical problems also influence on the health of the individuals. Next, another one is the some of the health services. Okay, in the world which is the provided by the health ministry, what services will be available for reducing their diseases. Next one is the aging of population. Okay, population age also influence as like health determinants. Next one is the gender, means we are learn or we know one something that is the females are prone to get some diseases than the males, or males are prone to get severely some diseases. Like that we learn what is the reason, what is the way. Regarding that we are going to discuss. Health determinants ante arogya nirnayakalu. Okay, in this biological determinants, first one is the biological determinants. In this a number of diseases, okay, many of diseases will comes to the human beings. What is the reason why the disease will cause to the human beings? Okay, that some diseases will be through the genetics or the genes. Okay, the number of diseases will also arise from the genes, through the gene, one generation to another generation, or any chromosomal abnormalities or any genetical abnormalities. The people or the individuals or the infants or whatever it may be, the human being may be prone to get some diseases through the genes. Okay, biological determinants ante diseases అనేవి ఈ బ్యాక్టీరియా, మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజం, ఫంగి, ప్రోటోజోవా వాటి వల్లనే కాకుండా ఇంకెలా వస్తున్నాయి డిసీజెస్? ద డిసీజెస్ విల్ కాజ్ బై ద అబ్నార్మాలిటీస్ ఇన్ ద జీన్స్, జన్యుపరంగా కూడా వస్తున్నాయి అన్నమాట. హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్లో ఫస్ట్ జనరేషన్లో ఏవేని జెనెటిక్ loss or genetic diseases will be there, means the genetic diseases will be easily spread their second generation. Okay, first generation lo evaina genetical abnormalities or the chromosomal abnormalities or the whatever it may be, the diseases due to the genes that will be easily maybe spread to the their second generation or the third generation. Okay, then the type of process we are called as the biological determinants. Okay, for example, in these chromosomal abnormalities, Okay, in chromosomal abnormality, some diseases will arise, no? Down syndrome, trisomy 21, like that. Some chromosomal abnormalities will be there. Okay, some chromosomal diseases will be arise through the one generation to another generation. For example, in a family, okay, one grandmother is having short height, okay, very less height. Okay, their grandfather also having very short height. Okay, they are not having height according to their age group. They are short, less than their normal height. Okay, then their second generation people also, okay, third generation people also, they are having shortness of their height because of they are formed by their parents or the parents. Okay, their genes only major role for form a new human being. ఓకే, జీన్స్ వల్లనే, జన్యువుల వల్లనే హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ అనేవి ఫామ్ అవుతున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ జనరేషన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి జీన్స్ అనేవి ఎలా గ్రోత్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ లాస్ అయ్యింది, లెస్ అయ్యింది, వాళ్ళు పెరగలేరు, పొట్టిగా ఉన్నారు, షార్ట్గా ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి. దేర్ సెకండ్ జనరేషన్ పీపుల్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ స్మాల్ హైట్. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ ద డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆర్ దట్ problems will be arise through the biological determinants. Okay, next one is the behavioral or socio-cultural conditions. Okay, in behavioral or the socio-cultural conditions, here what happens means the personal habits, okay, mainly behavioral. Behavior means human being, individual or the human being behavior. Okay, if they are having positive behavior means their problems will be less. Okay, if they are having negative behavior or the abnormal behavior means they are having they are maybe prone to get severe diseases. Okay, in behavioral and the socio-cultural conditions also influence as like health determinants. Okay, in this the problems like what is that smoking and okay, smoking and alcoholism. Okay, smoking and alcoholism is one of the negative behavior persons having these habits. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకి బిహేవియర్ ప్రవర్తన అనేది వాళ్ళలో సరిగ్గా ఉంటే ఓకే, దే ఆర్ ఫీల్ యాజ్ లైక్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్. ద స్మోకింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ కెన్ డేంజరస్ టు అవర్ బాడీ. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు కాజ్ సమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సరస్ టు అవర్ బాడీ. Okay, we are having some problems internally by using severe smoking and alcoholism. Okay, like that they are realized means they are not going to attend that smoking and alcoholism. Okay, who are not having realization in their life, they are simply smoke and take the some alcohols for their enjoyment. ఓకే, వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ కోసం వాళ్ళు స్మోక్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఆల్కహాలిజం తీసుకుంటున్నారు. దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, లంగ్ క్యాన్సర్ రావడం, ఓకే, జాండీస్ రావడం మీన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆర్గాన్స్ విల్ బీ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ బై దట్ పర్టికులర్ smoking and alcoholism. Sometimes the people may be prone to get the disease of coronary artery diseases. Okay, sometimes they are having the drug addiction. Okay, once they are having some more diseases or they are continuously use some drugs means they are repeatedly using same drugs means they are addicted. Okay, that one we are called as the behavioral and socio-cultural conditions. Next one is the environment. Okay, in environment also having the different in this what is that housing. Okay, housing of the individual, water supply of individual. Why? Because in housing they are not maintain proper cleanliness in their house means they are able to get some of the diseases. Okay, they are not drinking proper purified water means they may be prone to get waterborne diseases. Okay, next another one, that is the psychological stress. Okay, it is the internal factor. Okay, within their body they are having some stress, some depression means the mind not cooperate them. Okay, then the persons are going to get some diseases. Sometimes economical support system, okay, who are having a poor budget or poor socio-economical status, means they have this effect will be influence on the health. Okay, if people are having economically richest, means they are enjoying their life, they are eating different types of fast foods, then also they are prone to get some diseases. Okay, like that the problems will be arise due to the environment. Next one is the socio-economic conditions. Okay, in socio-economic conditions, mainly the per capita income. Okay, in home every house having the sum of the per capita income. Okay, ఇంటి యజమాని యొక్క ఆదాయం ఎంత ఉంది, ఎలా ఉంది. Okay, the income should be distributed equally for fulfilling their basic needs. They are not have any problems. Okay, if the income not fulfill for their basic needs, then they are arising some of the health problems. Okay, in this the education also, okay, influence as like determinants of health. If they are having what is that educated, okay, they are distributing budget or the economics for the which one is good, okay, which is the richest food for the balanced diet, okay, what is their cost, okay, which is the not having their nutritional values, okay, what is their cost. అంటే ఎడ్యుకేటర్స్ అయితే వాళ్ళ యొక్క బడ్జెట్కి సరిపడా ఈ యొక్క న్యూట్రిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ కలిగినటువంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవడానికి ముందుకు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద మిల్క్ ఆర్ దట్ ఫ్రూట్స్, some of the vegetables having some of the vitamins, nutrients, okay, that will be healthy for our food body. For maintenance of our body, we are taking some type of balanced diet. Like that, they are having some of the knowledge. Okay, simply they are educated means they are having some employment. Okay, then they are getting some of the salary, they are fulfilling their basic needs. Okay, they are not having any health problems, severe health problems. In early stages also they are cured by using their amount. Okay, next employment or the housing or political system. Okay, what is their range of some politicians are having their economical status good or richest, means they are maintaining health properly. Okay, severe problem, very less problem or minor problem will be there, means immediately they are going to the hospital for checking their health. Why? Because they are having proper economical status. Okay, some people are having poor socio-economical status, but they are having severe disease condition, they are unable to go for hospital. Why? Because economical status will be very poor. Okay, like that the determinants will be there in the health.